Similasan Computer Eye Relief Eye Drops. Product details. If your eyes are strained and aching from intense computer work, TV, reading, writing or driving at night, try Similasan Computer Eye Relief. Computer Eye Relief helps your eyes feel refreshed by stimulating the body's natural ability to temporarily relieve the symptoms of eye strain that may include blurred vision, hypersensitivity to light, and dry eyes. Similasan products are made without harsh chemicals, so you can use them as often as needed. Can be used with contact lenses. Drops will not damage lenses, but performance might be better when applied without lenses. If you have redness, itchiness or irritation, it is best to avoid lenses for a while. Trusted by pharmacists and families in Switzerland for 40 years, Similasan is a leading Swiss brand of remedies that use natural active ingredients instead of harsh chemicals to keep families healthy. Our state-of-the-art facility located near the Swiss Alps makes over 190 popular remedies for children and adults. Claims based on traditional homeopathic practice, not accepted medical evidence. Not FDA evaluated. Claims based on traditional homeopathic practice, not accepted medical evidence. Not FDA evaluated. Similasan Computer Eye Relief Drops provide temporary relief from eye strain symptoms like tiredness, aching, burning, and redness. Use as often as needed with no known side effects. Similasan Computer Eye Relief Eye Drops stimulate the body's natural defenses instead of masking symptoms like tired eyes, aching eyes, strained eyes, burning eyes, and red eyes. Similasan homeopathic eye drops are made with natural active ingredients, not harsh chemicals. Similasan eye drops do not contain vasoconstrictors, chemicals that cause rebound effect. For over 40 years, Similasan has been used by pharmacists and families in Switzerland.
Similasan is a leading brand of homeopathic remedies with natural active ingredients to keep families healthy. Similasan is a Swiss brand dedicated to helping families feel good about feeling better. Our gentle eye drops provide natural temporary relief from computer eye strain symptoms.